Hello friends and health enthusiasts all over the world. I'm really happy to announce that we are going to be having a Yoga International Online Festival put together by the World Peace School of Rishikesh. This festival will start on 21st of June and continue till 24th of June. And on 24th of June at 3:30, I will be online with a workshop on anger management and pain management for all of you. Yes, Coach Shruti Dutt, your own Dilli Wali Nani, and Upasana Devi for the yoga students. I'm really delighted to be a part of this international festival because this is the time when all of us, each and every person around the globe, must connect to yoga to become strong mentally and physically and spiritually. So let's be there in the festival and let's all come out full of joy, full of vigor, full of strength, fighting any kind of disease, whether it is mental, physical, or any virus, strengthened with our understanding of yoga and the practice of our yogic techniques. Love you all. See you there.